What's up, friends? It's Roxiano here. So you probably know all the ways to earn crypto by trading assets, playing in the metaverse, or petting your NFTs. But what if you don't want to do all that? What if you want to just get the Ghost and Alchemica tokens without having to do much of anything at all? Well, it's possible. The earnings that I calculate could be actually worth double once the market stops crashing. This is a huge opportunity, friends, but not financial advice, so please do your own research. The first way to earn passive income is through Gotchi lending. If you have a Gotchi, you probably know how to do that on the main site. But if you don't want to set up a lending deal every few hours, there's a site that does it for you for a few fees. The Gotchi Vault was created with the idea in mind that some investors may not have time to constantly interact with their NFTs or play in the Gotchiverse. Therefore, the site will pet your Gotchis and lend them for you. Their stat page is really handy too. So how much can you make with Gotchi lending? There are a lot of factors that go into this, but it mostly depends on the costs you set and how often or how well your Aavegotchi is utilized by borrowers. With my two Gotchis from different kinship brackets, I can make about $10 to $15 a week currently from auto-lending. That is not too bad, especially when you don't have to do much of anything at all. However, if you own land, it's probably smarter to channel with your Gotchis instead of lending them. My Aavegotchis can make about $30 a week just by entering the Gotchiverse once a day and clicking a button on my land. The second way to get passive income is by staking your tokens. There are a few ways and a few steps that I personally do this, and I will show you those right now. The first step to stake is to provide liquidity to the pools on QuickSwap. So if you go to quickswap.exchange/#/pool, you can see all the pools you've participated in or import them if you don't see them. Then in these tabs, you can see how much you have staked. Right now, I only have a little bit in here, but I'm gonna add some liquidity to this pool so you guys can see how I do it. Let's do and then press supply, and then confirm the supply, and then in your MetaMask as well, press confirm. And you can see all of your analytics on QuickSwap. If you only use the QuickSwap pool, you can earn fees in the form of Ghost or the Alchemica you deposit. I recommend going a step further and staking your tokens in the Aavegotchi protocol after you stake them in QuickSwap. So you can go to app.aavegotchi.com, make sure your wallet is connected, then you can go to the Stake Ghost. Under Stake Ghost, there are two options here. One is for earning frens and one is for earning glitter. When you earn frens, you can exchange those for raffle tickets, which you can use in raffles to win NFTs, or sell those tickets for a high price before raffles happen. With glitter, this is more for building in the Gotchiverse. Glitter is brand new and arguably the most profitable option to date. So when I go into the Friends tab, I'm earning $260 a day. I had a lot more staked in Friends, but I switched it over to glitter recently. The two main pools that I use are the Ghostmatic pool, which is located on SushiSwap, and the WAP Ghost, which is just here. You just have Ghost that you can wrap and then stake. Or you can wrap it here and then go over to glitter, stake it into glitter instead. Glitter is really cool because over the past few months, the Alchemica I've been earning, I just recently staked that into glitter and earned like 44,000 glitter in just a few days. It can be earned like really fast. Here it is on the market. My 51,000 glitter right now is worth $2.56. And I only had like $30 worth of Ghost and Alchemica staked in there to earn that much. This is very subject to change, but I calculated that my $250 investment could make an extra $170 worth of glitter in 1 year. and that is a 68% APR, and that is really good. Aavegotchi is absolutely killing it with the return on your investment. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I really hope it was informative for you all. One last thing before I go, I just want to remind you that I'm doing a giveaway right now for my Gotchi NFT. All the details are in a link in the description below. If you liked my video, please subscribe. I'm on my way to 500 subscribers. It would really mean a lot to me if I reached that milestone. Happy earning, and I'll see you in the Gotchiverse.